So the other day in my day job, I had a kid say to me, "Hey you guys, listen to that guy because he's wearing a jean jacket." So that's why you have to listen to me, because I'm wearing a jean jacket. That's a new life rule. Hey friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and I'm wearing a jean jacket. And not only am I wearing a jean jacket, but I have the April 2019 Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box sent by Cache Advance. Every month, Lisa and her team packs up geocaching goodies, things that geocachers love, and they're delivered right to your door. And every month, it's just like a geocaching celebration, and it always inspires me. It always inspires me to do something fun in the geocaching world. So without further ado, let's open it up. It is a little bigger box this month than it normally is, and that's kind of exciting. Look at this, look at this. As you can see, everything is neatly put together. Nothing is moved, everything's protected. First thing I'm seeing, what is this? What? This is really interesting. I have never seen anything quite like this before. It looks like we have a phone wrist wallet. So this is something that you put on your wrist and it carries your phone on your wrist. So most people do geocache with their phones nowadays. So how cool would it be to have access to it right on your wrist? I'm gonna try this out right now. I need my phone. I need my phone right now. All right, I put my phone in there first. Now I'm gonna put it on my wrist. Here we go. One size fits all. Oh yeah. All right, there it is. I got my phone. I can access it when I need it. Even right here, it has a little zipper so you can put change or your credit cards. Like your phone's not even, I could shake this like crazy, my phone's not falling out. Cool, very cool, interesting. I see how this could be really great for geocachers to be hands-free so you can find the cache. You can do all the things, find the cache, sign the logbook, and still have your phone with you and not have to mess with pockets. Oh my gosh, I've seen things like this, but I didn't realize that Cache Advance sold these things. This is like a flat magnetic geocache, and on the outside it says GC411, which means geocaching information. And look at, on the back of it, they got a logbook. You stick this on a metal surface, and it's a clever flat geocache. I've seen people make these, but I didn't know that Lisa actually sold these. We got some stuff to inspire me already. I know a lot of people collect wood nickels. I have a good chunk of wood nickels myself, and we have a Cache Carnival Rio de Janeiro wooden nickel. And as always, I get the add-on trackable. And the trackable I got this time was a Cache Carnival trackable tag. It is a little Rio de Janeiro trackable tag. We got a good variety here. We got something we can use out in the field. We have a cache we can hide, and we got a trackable we can send out to the world, and we have something to collect. A little bit of everything. As always, I'm inspired once again. Let's go out to the field and let's find a clever spot to hide this flat geocaching information geocache. In the park, friends, I'm scouting out an area to put this clever geocache. You guys, I've always wanted to hide a geocache like this. It's a little tricky for me because I have to be on public land, and the obvious place to stick these are electric boxes, but let's face it, sometimes that can be a little bit dangerous. So I have to do something that makes a little sense, that muggles aren't gonna find, but a place that it fits in really well. There's a building right behind us, might be a good spot. So I put it right on the door here. Although it kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. I don't know, I don't like it. Now this is usually the spot that makes sense. Maybe on the electric box here, possibly. Although again, super obvious. And also you have to be careful. You have to be careful around this electrical stuff. So nope, not here. Ooh, this is interesting. Like this is like reflective, so this looks pretty good. Luckily, that is metal. That is magnetic. All right guys, what do you think of this? Look at this, it's the same color. It's the same color, so it feels like it fits there. Right there. Oh, what do you think? What do you think? I like that it's sort of the same color and it sort of fits in nicely. I think this is it. I think this is the spot I'm gonna put it. All right, let's get the cords. Friends, there you have it. If you're interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. You can subscribe there. You can cancel anytime. And you too could get stuff that geocachers love sent to your mailbox every single day.